Students, welcome to 71st video. I have written a note on the board, students. Look at that note. If fx equals x square, fx equals x square plus 1, and in addition to that, set of reals and set of integers are given. If your question contains both these two, surely you people will get failed subjects for these numbers. Why I am choosing set of reals means in set of reals both positive numbers and negative numbers are available. Even in set of integers, both positive numbers and negative numbers are available. Be careful, students. If your function contains x square and the given set is either set of reals or set of integers, surely you are going to get failed subjects. To get failed subjects, you go for choosing either x equals plus 1 or minus 1. X is equal to either plus 2 or minus 2. X is equal to plus 3 or minus 3. You can choose any positive number and related negative number to get a failed subject. Right? I hope you understood this note very well. Let us go for solving problems. Okay. First question. Check the injectivity and subjectivity of the following. First question is that f from n to n, naturals to naturals, given by fx equals x square. Students, before solving, you analyze. So you analyze in mind fx equals x square given, but in the given set of naturals, tell me naturals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We won't get, there will be no negative numbers in the naturals. That means we won't get to failed subjects. Keep that in mind. Now look at this, friends. Before solving, observe naturals. Tell me naturals 1, 2, 3, 4. For x, I must choose from first set. X values should be chosen from first set. Fx values belongs to second set. Because fx means y. Y always in second set, x always in first set. Keep that general point in mind. Look at this, friends. f1, 1. Put x equals 2. f2, 2 square 4. f3, 3 square 9. You observe, students, carefully. 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 4, 3 is related to 9. Different elements of first set are related to different images of second set. These numbers are called what? Images. These numbers are images. Images means y values. Y values always belongs to set, second set. These values are x values. X values. Fx means this should be x value. If this becomes x value, this must be y value. Images are nothing but y values. Look at the students. Images are different. Images are different. If images are different, surely it must be 1 1. Different elements are related to different. Look at this. 1 is related to 1. 2 is related to 4. 3 is related to 9. Isn't this 1 1? Surely 1 1, right? You analyze everything in mind. That is, if images are different, then f is 1 1. Keep the general point in mind. If images are distinct, f must be 1 1. Now let's go for solving this problem. Wait, students. Usually, when we are proving the given function as 1 1, we follow this procedure. Which procedure? You know that very well. Let fx1 is equal to what? Fx2. Let fx1 is equal to fx2. Tell me fx1 from this, students. Fx1 is equal to x1 square. x1 square. Tell me fx2 from the students. x2 square. x2 square. Bring that this side. x1 square minus x2 square equals 0. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2 equals 0. Come to this, students. You all know this very well. Basics of maths. Basics of maths. AP equals 0 means either A equals 0 or B equals 0. AP equals 0 means A equals 0 or B equals 0. Because if A becomes 0, 0 and everything becomes 0. If B becomes 0, 0 and everything becomes 0. In case if A is not equal to 0, if A does not become 0, that implies B must be 0. B must be 0. Why should that B be 0 means 0 and everything is 0. I must get 0. If A is not equal to 0, B must be 0. Because 0 into non-zero number. 0 into any non-zero number becomes what? 0. If B is not equal to 0, that implies what? A must be 0. To make this product into 0, these conditions must happen. Observe, learn basics of maths. Let us come to this. Clearly, students, x1 plus x2 is not equal to 0. Why x1 plus x2 is not equal to 0? Because all x belongs to first set. x1 and x2 are natural numbers. All x belongs to first set. That means both x1 and x2 are naturals. Sum of two naturals never be equal to 0. Naturals, tell me naturals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it possible to get a 0 by adding two naturals, students? Never possible. That is x1 plus x2 is not equal to 0. If this does not become 0, this must be 0 according to rule. Because 0 into anything is 0. x1 minus x2 equals 0. That implies x1 is equal to what? x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. Therefore, f is 1 1. We proved f as 1 1. Let's think of onto. Let Y belongs to second set, be any element, be any element, be any element. That implies small y equals fx. That implies small y, fx means x square. I told you so many times, students, in onto you always find out x value. For onto you always find out x value. From that, how much is x? Root y. Is this side, students? X value, root y, it is x value. Is this x value belongs to first set? No. Naturals never contains elements with roots, numbers with roots. Naturals does not contain numbers with roots. Right? Tell me naturals. 1, 2, 3, 4. This type of numbers, they are not naturals. Belongs to or does not belongs to? Does not belong to n. That means second set element y is not related to first set element. That means all the elements of second set are not related. Therefore, it is not onto. When we say f as onto, if all the elements of second set are related, your second set element is not related to first set element, because this first set element is not available in n. For example, put y equals to 2, x equals root 2 does not belong to n. You may be thinking, students, instead of putting y equals to, sir, you put y equals 1, sir. Root 1 is 1 belongs to n, no, sir. Yes, you are correct. If I put y is equal to 1, x belongs to n. Here, one thing you remember, students, you always, whenever you get doubt, you think of failed subjects. Failed in one subject means completely failed. Though it may have any number of passed subjects, if it contains one failed subject, we say it is completely failed, right? So onto or not onto? Not onto, because failed subject. Because we have failed subject. Therefore, F is not onto. Not onto. Let us go on to one more question, friends. Let's move on to one more. Second question. F from, second question, F from Z to Z given by Fx equals x square. Fx equals x square. Look at this, friends. Again we are given. Again we have Fx equals x square. Further, set of integers is given. In set of integers, both positive numbers and negative numbers are available. That is, you see these, students, F1. How much is F1? 1. F of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Two different elements related to same element. 1 1 or not 1 1? Not 1 1. That is both 1. F relates 1 with 1. Minus 1 also with what? 1. Right? Even you can go for choosing 2 minus 2. 2. F2. 2 square. 4. Next. F2. 4. Next. F minus 2. Again it is 4. Is it 1 1? No. Not 1 1. That this is what I written in your note. This is what I written in your note. If your function contains x square and the set is either integers or reals, there we will get negative numbers. If both positive and negative numbers are available for the function fx equals x square, then it won't become a 1 1 because different elements are related to same element. Is it 1 1 or not 1 1? Not 1 1. Let's go for that. Solution. Let f1 equals 1 square 1. Next, f of minus 1 whole square 1. Images are same. If images are different, then it is 1 1. If images are same, then it is not 1 1. You write that images are same, or you write 1 and minus 1 have same image 1. Therefore, f is not 1 1. One thing you observe, students, I go for giving examples only when it is getting fed. I repeat it. I choose examples, I choose counter examples only when it is getting fed. Here it is not becoming 1 1. That's why I choose an example. If it is becoming 1 1, I would have chosen general elements. That is fx1 is equal to fx2. Carefully observe, carefully catch all the points. If this is not 1 1, go for on to let small y belongs to second set, be any element. That implies small y means fx. That implies y means fx means x square. Calculate x from that. You find out x from that. So x is root y. Is this root y available in z, students? No. Tell me set of integers 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. This type of elements, this type of numbers are not seen in z. Does not belongs to z. For example, y equals to 2. Put y equals to x is equal to root 2. Does not belongs to z. Failed subject. I am going to search. Always I search for a failed subject. Because failed in one subject means completely failed. Therefore, f is not onto. Let us go for one more question, students. F from third question, f from R to R. Now, f from n to n. F from n to n given by fx equals x cube. Directly by seeing the given question, directly analyze, students, whether it becomes 1 1 or not. Look at this. Put x is equal to 1. F1 1. F2 8. F3 27. F4 64. Are images same or different? Images are different. Images are different means it must be 1 1. If images are same, it is not 1 1. If images are same, it is not 1 1. If images are different, it is 1 1. It must be 1 1. Look at that. Carefully give. F1 1. F2 8. F3 27. These are images. Or these images same or different? Different. One element is related to only one. One element is related to only one. One element is related to only one. It must be what? 1 1. 1 1 or not 1 1? 1 1. If it is 1 1, you use. If it is becoming 1 1, you use general procedure. Don't go for examples. When we use examples, if it is not becoming, I made you that as a note. Already you have written that as a note. Be careful. Now go for that. Even sometimes this procedure is also correct. You may get marks for this also. Right? Let solve with me. Solution. Let fx1 is equal to fx2. fx1 is equal to fx2. That implies fx1. Put x is equal to what? x1. x1 cube. x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. x2 cube. Bring that this side. x1 cube minus x2 cube is equal to 0. a cube minus b cube. Tell me formula. a cube minus b cube. That is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This formula is useful. What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Apply that. Apply that formula. You apply formula. So a minus b, x1 minus x2 into a square, x1 square plus ab, x1 x2 plus b square, x2 square is equal to 0. Again, by general knowledge, you apply your GK. Even if it is not understood, just apply your general knowledge, students. General knowledge means in 1-1, what actually we are going to prove, what actually we are trying to get, x1 is equal to x2. Where we get that? We get that from this term. So for this term you put 0, for this term you put not equal to 0. Let it be whatever the concept is. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು x1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ x2 ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಹಾಕಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ x1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ x1 x2 plus x2 square is not equal to 0. Why this sum is not becoming 0 means, look at this students, x1 x2 they are all not naturals. Sum of naturals never become 0. ನೀವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ಸ್? 1 2 3 4. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ, x1 ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ, x2 ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕಿ, ಇದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ. 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಇದು 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? 0 ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ on right side I must get 0. 0 and everything is 0. That implies x1 minus x2 0. From that x1 is equal to what? x2. Therefore f is 1 1. Therefore f is 1 1. Therefore f is 1 1. Next on to as usual. Let small y belongs to capital N. Be any element. Be any element. Small y is equal to fx. That implies small y equals fx means x cube. In onto we always find out x value. In onto we always find x value. From that how much is x? X. Bring that power 3 this side. If I bring this power 3 this side, it becomes cube root. Cube root. Cube root of 5. Is this cube root of 5? This is x value. Is this cube root of 5 available in the natural students? No. Tell me, you must have an idea about naturals. What are naturals? Naturals means it contains 1 2 3. ನಿಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ರೂಟ್ y does not belongs to, then example put y equals to x is equal to cube root 2 does not belong to n. Therefore f is not on 2. I hope you understood, students. So if you have doubt, please call me. I explain in detail. Thank you. We shall meet in the next class.